decided it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No, I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections.
Take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out, to some ice Can't focus on me. Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, hot faucets running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, it's stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby, I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Step out, get some air now, let your edge out. Put some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mindset. I could've kept from losing yesterday. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, you baby, you don't care. This is urgent. Tryna make some similar change. Got me a war in my mind. Let it go away. Can't keep what's holding me to the right, but it will break up in front of me. All the while, I wait my almost feeling it's not. Still wanna try, still believe in good days. Always inside. Good days just in my mind. I disappear. Jericho. Feeling like Joe, he lost his shit. Gotta hold my own, my cross to bear alone night. Ooh, way to deal, way to kill the food.
No sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir, no sir. No make back, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Got a little older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause be my jacket checker. Pour one pill, but it's a double decker. Yes, sir. I ain't talking schools, I'm waiting on a transfer. Send a pussy boy to me, my ancestors.
Hi guys, yesterday I went to SA Queens and bought this journal and sticky notes, which is kind of unnecessary to buy these sticky notes because they shine and I don't know what they even like. But yeah, I thought they look cute and they're nice. But when I found out here, I can't even see what I write on them, but like we'll see. This looks nice.
Here we are right here together, side by side beside each other, drifting through the sweet melody. Love, yeah, love.
His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his that you do.
My sister. And trying to get up for 500. I want to get 500. That'll be good.